Stay tuned to see how I created this neon abstract string art. So as you guys can tell, I wanted to try a different look to my video this week. So we're going in a comic style for this week's DIY. You'll want to start with a blank canvas of any size. I just happen to have this large one on hand, and I'm taking my time to completely paint the entire canvas with black acrylic paint. Make sure that you paint each of the 4 sides of the canvas so that it creates a clean look. Leave your canvas to dry overnight. Once your canvas is dry, you'll get your strings prepared. I'm using this regular cotton string along with these really bright, really pretty neon acrylic paint colors. I'm doing a pink, a yellow, and an orange, which at the end you'll see is interesting because the yellow actually looks more greenish, but still really pretty. So as you saw, I added my paint to each of my cups with each string inside there, making sure that it is fully coated. And then I pretty much looped the string right directly onto the painted canvas. And then you'll slowly peel the string in a downward motion, letting it drag through each layer of paint. The thing that I learned with this is that the more that you space the string out before you pull it down, is that you'll get a really cute, really clean line version, which is what creates these abstract flowers. So you can use any colors that you want. Customization is completely up to you. These are just the colors that I chose. And another thing that you can also do is do your string art when your canvas is still wet with whatever base color of paint you decide to use. So I decided to add a second set of flowers just to play around with how I laid the string out to see what patterns and shapes the string would form, depending on how I laid it down. This is a really fun project to do with your little ones if you have them, because it is so easily customizable and you can just really let it be abstract and free form and see how each individual pattern comes out depending on how you lay the string onto the canvas. So I just repeated this process, going ahead and creating 2 of the pink, 2 of the yellow, and 2 of the orange flowers. And you guys know me, I can't help but add glitter to everything. So before the painting dries, add glitter to your liking. And here is the finished neon abstract string art. I love how this came out, and I love how the filter makes it look so abstract and watercolory, but still bright with those neons. But here's what it looks like in real life. And I am just as in love with these colors as I was when I had the cute, fun filter on. What do you guys think of how this neon abstract string art came out? Would you try it? Are there any colors that you would use to try it? Maybe I'll try to do another one with just a regular white background and leave the white paint wet. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I had a lot of fun playing around with doing string art. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, leave me a comment below, and subscribe. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. And always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.